Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's pretty dark in here guys. I'm filming in the garage. Yeah, my mom's having her lunch and I just want to leave her so she can enjoy her lunch, and then I bring mine in here so I can eat with you guys. How you guys going? Tell me, how are you guys going? Sorry about the light guys. So I got the chips looking a bit hang on, let me taste, but I gotta give my thanks first guys. Okay guys, so so I wanted to go like, look at this beautiful food, okay, and then they give me this bread with it. They give you one, then they fold it up so nicely and then put it in their little packet, but so you don't abuse it. No, you do. So guys, let me show you how I like mine. Yeah. Anyway, so I've got the white sauce there, I got the hummus, I got the garlic white sauce, and I've got this with the salad stuff on it. So that's chicken, that's lamb, and a little bit of beef. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make me a sandwich. See, if you guys were close by, we are having lunch. Yeah. But anyway, you guys are having lunch with me right now. Okay? So, tell me, what are you guys eating right now? Or what did you just finish eating? I'd like to know. Okay, I gotta put some hummus on there. Go with the chips. This reminds me of chips and bread when we're having fish and chips when we were little kids. Yeah. This is charcoal chicken, guys. I'll dip it in the hummus. And this. Okay, I'll go for the other one. Okay, and I got a beef. And then the kafta. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, put that oil in there. Get a bit of this and sprinkle it on ever so gently. It's falling down. Ooh, look at this guys. Have a bite. Oh, I know it's not focused. You horrible camera. Don't you do that to my viewers. Look at that. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna dip it in the hummus. Dip it in the garlic sauce. Look at that. Look at that. And look at my Sylvia all the way over there. Take a bite, guys. I love their food. Mediterranean. And my drink today, I got this pink sparkling raspberry drink. I've been staying off the fizzy drinks, but I just felt like it today. It's so good. This is lovely. Okay. Cheers, guys. Nice little genie in a bottle. Ecco, know what, guys? Next time I'll make sure I have the other light so I can both, you know. But cause if there was someone here, I'd chase him and say, go and get the light. And just an old lady. See, sometimes I use the old lady card. Doesn't always work with my kids, but so lovely. This is my last video. So I'll come back from the polyfunnel. So me and my grandbaby will be in New Zealand. We leave here on Thursday. Okay. So what I did, I booked me and my grandbaby B&B so we can stay in it, right? Because I thought where it was going to be held was close to my family's house. So we were going to go stay there and hang out with them, you know, catch up. Then when I told my daughter, can you send me that address? And then it was all the way near town. Yeah. Lovely food, guys. They sure know their food. They sure know their food. Well, this is how I always do it. I just love this garlic sauce. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I appreciate you guys leaving your little comments. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You guys what makes me and everyone else that does YouTube want to do more, you know, because we know that you want to watch whatever, you know, that you enjoy watching on YouTube, and we appreciate it, guys, you know. And I'll be honest with you, right, I do get paid for the videos that I do, but it's not what you think. No, it's something that I like doing. You see, I do, and you know, like you use. It depends on what video you're doing, but me, I spend more on my food or whatever over the month than what I get paid. Okay, guys, that's the honest truth. But if I enjoy it and whoever else enjoys it, hey, I mean, in my everyday life, I've got to eat, right? I gotta eat. So it may not always be my choice of what I really wanted to eat, but I just want to, you know, change it around so you guys got, you know, something different to see. Okay. I'm just doing my sandwich, guys, bit by bit, but this is so lovely. They know their food. They better watch it. Who said? I love capsicum. Oh, we love capsicum. Look. Now, when I think about it, I'm gonna dip me up some hummus. Dip me up some garlic. And hummus again. Okay, focus on the food. Never mind about dancing. Oh, look at that, guys. I wish I can focus. No. This camera's so stubborn. Fussy, oi, camera. Fussy, oi. Who has seen on YouTube those Balinese speaking Samoan? Huh? If these Balinese can learn salmon, which is not their, you know, second tongue or whatever. Is that how you say it? I said, baby, you can do it too. She goes, oh, teach me. So I said, oinga whaia oe. She went, what? I remember our mum teaching us that. Me and my brothers. Then she taught my little sister that. Oinga whaia oe. It's so... Alright. Take another bite. It's beautiful. So, once again, I'm asking my sister, I asked my sister just to look after our mother until I go for the 3 days we're going for. So, the 4 days were up, 2 days for the travel, 2 days for the potty funnel. And guess what, guys? It's gonna be raining. Raining. It's so lovely. No street. Better watch it. Stop it. Yeah, so it's gonna be raining. So, I feel sorry for the guys that's back in New Zealand. That's already arranged stuff and, you know, and then to find out the weather. I mean, they could have, you know, like wanted to do outdoor sports, outdoor stuff, and now it's going to be raining the whole time we're going to be there. It just makes me think, now what? Now what are they going to do? Yeah? It's sad, now they're going to have to go to plan B. You know my husband? He always says, when they plan something, always have a plan B ready. You know, just in case. But if you really want things done, you, me, you know, put in a word in your prayers and ask our loving Father up in the heavens to look down and, you know, and help us out. Give us a beautiful weather, you know. Because everything is up to Him. Everything is up to God. And we just have to, you know, do our best and, you know, don't do anything bad, criminalize, over, you know, it's not good in God's eyes. Guys, you know, it's not very easy because the world is what it is, you know. But all we can do is try and be good people, you know. You know, trust me, it's not easy. But that's all I can do, is just try, you know, and keep on loving our loving Father, you know, because He's the one that loves us, and He's the one that grants us our life. Oh, look at that. Woo! I know. It's so dark in this garage. I should have whooped up the garage door. But then my neighbour across the road, the one that Oh, someone said, give the stink eye. I was saying, what's a stink eye? Does that mean my eye gotta be stink? Honestly, I don't know what stink eye is. But I saw his emoji, it's like this. The emoji went like this, so I thought, oh, is that stink eye? Oh! Over for ile mito lea. Oh, yep. Get some of this parsley, onion, capsicum. Get in there. Why not lopsided all in here? Yeah. You know what? Watch it, okay? Don't you embarrass me in front of my viewers. Hey. No woman, no cry. Look, this is a Maui Wowie joint. See, guys? Look, I'm only joking, you know. Don't get all serious on me. And see the green? Yeah, that's the green grass. No woman, no cry. Okay. Have a bite, guys, or have a puff. I'm only mucking around. Please, don't leave me a hateful comment. I'm only joking. I don't like that stuff anyway. Oh, if I had a light, one more light here. Yang ala ia. Wale ado mai le muri e ko ka mumu ya ma ko mumu ya ki nga foi ka ringa a ya. Sorry. I'm looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. Never mind. I'm gonna get myself in trouble talking too much. Yeah, 88. The people in America are so lucky, right? Because they get all that beautiful seafood, right? You get seafood, but I really want some of that. They have the giant shrimp tails, or the shrimp, prawn, and then they have the big crab legs. I only found it once in Costco, so I did me a video. So if you guys haven't seen it, go look for my crab leg video. Guys, it was so beautiful. It was sweet, tender, and delissimo. Now I've only found it at one time, and I haven't seen it since. Maybe it's come back, but they didn't ring me. Have you ever had a time when have you ever had a time when like you're hungry, right? But you're lazy to chew? That's me right now. Just because I already had the first roll, now I'm thinking, oh, can someone come and chew this for me? Now you guys are thinking, lazy? Who said that? Oh. Nah, but I love it, eh? Hey. Oh, put a lamp in here. Look, no cat. Oh, this lamb is, Oh, see the birds are green tea. Anyway, guys, I'm going to put this away because I've got shout outs to do. Hey, put it this way. At least we had lunch, right? Yeah, yes, we had lunch. See, so I went today because the other day when I was showing you guys my my plate of food, I went to go like this and it nearly blew. So when I got this, hello. So when I got this material, so now look. Yeah. I don't think it will slide off again. Cheeky little bugger tried to slide off while I was trying to show you guys the plate. Hello, can you not move? I'm just telling the people you don't slide, and now look what you're trying to do to me. You're trying to make me look bad. Stop it. See, look at this table. I could put it like this. So my book is facing me. Here we go. So the first shout out goes to Sandy West. Sandy West, thank you very much for your comments. Thank you. And then there's Marlena Christian. Marlena Christian, thank you very much. It was nice having a little chat with you. And just the four of us guys, go and watch them. I had a look at their channel and I wanted to look at their, they had this mukbang thing happening. I was just about to press to watch last night, and then my mum goes, can you go make me a Milo? I thought, lady, wrong timing, but okay, I'll go make you a Milo. Then I didn't watch it, but today I've been thinking about sitting down and watching you guys, okay? So it's just the four of us vlogs, okay guys? So when you see their name, please go check out these people, see if they got channels, and if they have, please subscribe to them and show them some love. Thank you very much. And I've got this other name, okay, it might be not easy to say. Okay, then I got this other name, it's called Joskoi 100, okay? Joskoi, did I say it right? Joskoi. I hope I said it right, or very close to it, okay? And then I'm going to say hello to SHANNA Wilson, okay? SHANNA Wilson, yeah. So, blooper. On SHANNA Wilson's comment, the man said that he just finished having his kinna fix, okay? And that's because it was a late Father's Day present from his missus, from his wife. So, wife, girlfriend, missus. Now they say, yeah, missus, yeah, that seals the deal, whatever it is. Anyway, so I'm glad you had your kinna. Oh, my kinna video, you know, that seafood one. Oh, guys, it's $26 here now in Australian Sydney. $26, and I'm thinking, you guys are getting a bit steep now in your pricing. Take it back to $20, guys, please, because it's too expensive, and we, you know, we love it. We want to like buy more than one. $26, but it was lovely though. You know, you open it up, and it's looking at you. Anyway, daydream. And Simply SHANLEE, hello to you. Thank you very much for commenting. Simply SHANLEE. And now this one here. Pat Cruising. Pat Cruising said chur. So I said chur chur. Thank you very much for even saying chur. Hey, I know what chur means. It means chur. You know, like back in our days, it was choice, but now it's chur. So, thank you very much. Ka pai, kite pai. Ah, yeah. Whawhitai lover. That means ka pai. Ah, yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, well, no more names. Well, there was, but I thought it's come down to the end of the book, so I'll leave the other names for. Hang on, this one. Before I used to write the date on it, but now I find it, if I tell people, they will find it hard. But if I write each food that I done on my mukbang, like this one, it was rice, sausage. If someone wanted to say, oh, can I have a shout out? I'll say, well, go and look at rice and sausage, rice and cucumber video, and your name will be there. I shouted you previously. Anyway, I'm not just a pretty face, guys. I caught a preen, right? Somewhere there. Okay, thank you for hanging out with me, guys. You guys are champs. Anyway, if you have any birthdays coming up or you want me to shout your name out, come on. You know what to do. Have a little chat with me. I love it. I'll comment to you guys. But if I don't go back on my previous videos and you've left a comment there, I am so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. But listen, if I see your comment, I'm gonna do you a favor and put your name down on my shout out books. Okay, guys? Anyway, go out and look up hashtag Polytube and look at all the other Polynesians that's doing their videos, and anyone else that you want to watch out there. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of channels out there. So many. And what's good about YouTube, guys, when you don't know how to clean your shoes, when you don't know how to cut your hair, just don't watch the blooper ones, because they are going to show you the wrong way of cutting it, and then you end up with bald head, bald patches. Yeah, anyway, but, yeah, you watch them, yeah. It's good to have a laugh, because everyone's different. They just watch it to have a laugh. Okay, all right. Next time I'll see you guys when I come back from Polyfono, Wailua, okay? Keep an eye out, guys, because you'll be seeing us Polynesians all together. They're hanging out, getting to know one another. Then we all go home after 2 days, you know, and when we talk on our comments down below, we actually have met, you know. But it's funny, you know, it's like I sort of know them already. I know. Oh, look at me for your family. Okay, fast way forward. I just talk too much. Okay. Bye now, guys. You take care. Watch when you cross the road, Wailua. And be good to one another. Whoever you're angry with, guys, just let it go. You know what? I did that. I did that for so many. And I tell you what, it just made me miserable. It just did. You know, it's like, why is that person taking control of my brain, of my mind? Why am I thinking about that person? Use my mind to do better for my children, do better for my mom, do better for me, do better for my husband, do better for anyone around. Just don't waste your energy on something that's made you angry about, someone that's made you angry. Tell you, just understand, maybe they didn't intentionally do it to hurt you, or if they did, well, that's bad on them, not bad on you. Just remember that. Okay, guys? So you just keep on going, keep on doing your best in your own life. That's it. Let the haters do them, you know. Soon they'll realize they're doing wrong, and then they'll stop and think, what a waste of my time hating all these people. No, not good. No deal. Yeah, okay. Whātei whā. Whako, say hello. Fue yap. Ka kite, guys. Kia manuia. Ia manuia lava o tō. Yeah, don't forget, send a good word up there. Wailua.